Hello. Today, let's build a snowman together. A snowman is an anthropomorphic snow sculpture, often built in regions with significant snowfall, like here. And it's winter time, and there is so much snow outside. Let's go out and make a snowman. It's really easy. In many places, typically snowmen consist of 3 large snowballs or different sizes with some additional accoutrements for facial and other features. Due to the sculptability of the snow, there is also a wide variety of other styles. Common accessories, including branches for arms and rudimentary smiley faces with a carrot used for a nose. Clothing such as a hat or a scarf may be included. The low cost and availability of materials means snowmen are usually abundant once completed. Snow becomes most suitable for packing when it approaches its melting point and becomes moist and compact. Making a snowman of powdered snow is difficult, since it will not stick to itself. And if the temperature of the packaging snow drops, it will form an unsuitable, denser form of powdered snow called a crust. Thus, a good time to build a snowman may be the next warm afternoon, directly following a snowfall with a sufficient amount of snow. Using more compact snow allows for the construction of a large snowball by simply rolling it until it grows to the desired size, like here, and we will need 3 of them. 1 for the bottom part, 1 for the torso part, and 1 as head. That's awesome. A good time is a snow time. And the snow time is a really good time. And we'd like to make a snowman because Christmas time is there. And maybe it's after Christmas time. It doesn't care. If there is snow, we can build a snowman. Oh yeah. Maybe if you are on the top of the world, there is snow at summertime too, so you can make there a snowman too. That's awesome. Okay, we built 3 snowballs. That's awesome. 1 really big snowball, 1 medium-sized snowball, and 1 tiny snowball, as you can see. It's up to you how much weight, how much style your snowman can be. Okay, now lift the first snowball onto the second snowball. Here we can see I'm dealing a little bit. I make a little fat snowman because the middle side is a little bit bigger than the bottom side. So it is a snowman with a big stomach, as you can see. Really cute, this awesome snowman. Yeah, the third thing is we put the third snowball on top of it. That means that it's the head of the snowball. That's awesome, isn't it? But there is more. We can repair it by using new snow, as you can see, every time. If the snowball reaches the bottom of the grass, it may pick up traces of grass, gravel, or dirt. So take care of it while you're rotating the snowballs. Now it's time to decorate it. We're going to use two pieces of coal as eyes. And there is more. There's a little bit of time, and I see in the nature there's a little bit of wood. Let's take the wood as arms and noses. Of course, you can use a carrot too, no problem for it. And then we have to decorate a smiley face too. In North America, snowmen are generally built in 3 spheres, representing the head, the torso, and the lower body. In the United Kingdom, 2 spheres are used, 1 sphere representing the body and 1 representing the head. The usual practice is to then decorate and optionally dress the snowman. Sticks can be used for arms as mine here, and the face is traditionally made with stones or coal for eyes and carrot for nose. Some like to dress a snowman in clothing such as a scarf or that, while others prefer not to risk leaving supplies outdoors, where they could easily be stolen or become stuck in melting ice. But you can see it's an awesome snowman. I wish you a best time in winter time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.